Bless you. Bless you again. Alright, dog, this getting out of hand. Bless you. Alright, I'm about to become a pastor now. Bless you. Now everybody put their hands together and say, bless you. Now everybody bow your heads and say, bless you. Damn, bro, you alright? Damn, bless you. I'm not saying it this time. I'm done. Nope, not saying it. Nope. Alright, damn, bless you.
Achoo!
Bless you.
Ooh, I think that's it. Thanks, Justin.
It's Reverend Justin now. Can someone pass Brother Black the collection plate? Your generosity is appreciated.